Imagine driving a car that flies, or one that drives itself, or even one that's powered by energy from the future. The future of cars is closer than you think, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Self-driving? You bet. In the not-so-distant future, you won't need to touch the steering wheel. Cars will drive themselves, safely navigating any road while you kick back and enjoy your favorite show. Flying cars? Oh yes, that's happening. The skies are going to be your new highway. Imagine beating traffic by soaring above it all. It's not science fiction, it's the future. And let's talk power. Forget gas stations. Electric and even solar-powered vehicles will dominate the roads. More eco-friendly, faster and cheaper. Shape-shifting vehicles? Yep, the future is about cars that can adapt, change, and even transform to fit your needs. Convenience and style all in one. The future of cars is not just a dream, it's happening now. Like, share and comment if you can't wait for these jaw-dropping cars to take over the roads. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest tech and automotive breakthroughs. The future of driving, it's out of this world. Stay tuned for more. The road ahead is more exciting than ever.